Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll give you a 5 by 5 tutorial, and I already know that I have a 5 by 5 tutorial, but since the video quality was not that good in that video, so I'm just making another one. But I won't be making that video private or anything, it's just gonna remain there. So let's get started. Okay, so to solve a 5 by 5 first, you have to make the white center or the yellow center if you're a beginner. And if you're like at an advanced level, then you can solve it from any side. But we'll make the white face first. So first we have to make bars. Bars are basically these. Like this is one bar, and I have another piece over here and I'll attach it, and it's another bar, and just join it with the white center. And we need another piece which is over here, so just join it with this like that, and then insert it over here. So you have the white center ready now. After you solve the white center, you should solve the center opposite to it, which is yellow. So I have one piece over here, so I'll just solve it like this. And we have one piece over here and one piece over here, so we can make a bar out of by adding this one over here like this. Turn it twice, bring it back down, and we have a bar. And now you can just add it. But if we add it simply, then we'll break the white center. So when you're adding it, just place the unsolved side so you don't mess it up. Now we have one piece over here, and then we can place this again over here. And now so we don't break this white center, we'll have to do it like this. Place it over here twice, turn it twice, and bring it back down. So the first two centers are solved. So you have to keep solving the centers like this, and I'll show you what happens when you come at the last two centers. Okay, so I was going to show you the last two centers, but then I thought I should show you how to start a center in the middle first. So always start with the center which has the most pieces. So for example, we have one red block over here like this. Even though it's not a bar, we can just attach it like this, and now we have two bars directly. And then we can just make the last bar like this and then join it. And now the next piece I'm gonna go for is green, because green we can just attach these two over here like this, and then we have one bar like this. Turn it up, turn it back over here, and then join this piece, and then you can just attach it with the green one. And now it's easy, so you just have to attach these two pieces like this, and you're done. Now I'll show you what cases you can get. You can normally get 3 cases, and I'll show you all of them. Okay, so the first case is that you'll get something like this, where one corner is unsolved, middle corner is unsolved. So for this, it's really simple. If it's on the left side, then you just have to do it like this. Left, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime. Okay, so that will just solve it. And if it's on the right side, you just have to do the mirror case for that. And I'll show you the second case now. Okay, so the second case is this, where you can get two pieces unsolved, or maybe two pieces at the different side. So it's just the same as this one, but there's a algorithm to solve this. So if you notice, if we just join this part over here like this, so we have already joined it, and then now we can just bring it back. Okay, now for the same case, as you can see, if I turn it over here, I cannot join it. So for this one, what you have to do is you just have to do R, U, R prime like this, and now you can join it. Okay, so now the next case is where you have one middle piece unsolved. So for this, it's really simple. Just if you're a beginner, just make it sure you do it on your right side or your left side if you're a lefty. So it goes like this. bring this down. F means, which means just turn it like this. Turn these two back up. Now we have a T like this. Now turn the T like this, and now bring the middle piece over here like this. And now we can just join it back. So these were all the center cases which you could get. And now let's move on to the edges. Okay, so we have, as you can see, one white thread over here and another white thread over here and another one over here. So we can just join this one like this and then bring this white thread by doing this. Join all of them three and just place it with an unsolved edge like this. Okay, so now if you get a case like this where this corner has to go over here but it's opposite, so what you can do is you can just bring this piece over here like this and then do the flip algorithm, which goes like this: R U R prime F R prime F prime R, and then bring this piece back. So you'll have the edge solved, and that is the flip algorithm, or maybe you could call it the slice algorithm, whatever. So now I'll show you what happens in the last two edges, and I'll show you all the cases possible. Okay, so most of the time you'll have a case like this where two corners which are supposed to be together, they are together but they are flipped. So for this you just have to do the flip algorithm just as I had shown, but this time you have to bring the top piece over here like this and then do the flip algorithm from here and then join it back. So 50% of the times the cube will be solved, but there is also another case which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so you can also have a case where both of the corners are flipped and not even one is solved. So don't worry, just do the same thing. Bring it back, and now you'll have this case. And so for this case you'll have to do a priority algorithm from this angle, which goes like this: R U2 X, which means turn to the bottom, R U2 R U2, take three layers together, and R down, U2 L U2 R U2 R U2, and just bring it back. Okay, so I may have messed up the wordings of the algorithm, but you can just I'll give a subtitle above, so you can just copy from that. And yeah, this is all the cases which you'll get, but there's also another case. Okay, so now you can have where both of the corners are solved. So you can just do the same thing for this, but instead of the pushing it to the left side, you can just push it to the right. Flip algorithm, and then you can just do the priority algorithm. And now you can just solve it like a 3x3. Where's the queen? So if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, you can check out a video on my channel, and I have given a tutorial on how to solve a 3x3. So thank you for watching the video, and please like the video and share it, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.